Hallelujah. Can you put your hands together for Jesus? If you know that you are happy in his presence, I want you to be on your feet and appreciate this King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Appreciate him, appreciate his excellency. There is no one like him. He is the ancient of days, the I am that I am. He is the soon coming King. He is the bishop of my soul. Can you put your hands together and appreciate this God who made it possible for us to see another harvest unveiling? Can you shout hallelujah? Worship is more than a song. It's an expression from my heart. Hallelujah. 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 Hey. Hey. I will bless the Lord at all times. Hey. Chukwuma, I give you all my worship. I give you all my worship. Narekalamo Chukwuma, I give you all the honor. I give you all the honor. And I'm a Janugimba. Everybody say Chukwuma. And I'm a Janugimba. India mama, Hanama Janugima, Chukwama, Hanama Janugima, India mama. I give you my worship, I give you my worship. Receive all my worship. Receive me as your worship. More. I give you my worship, Jesus. Receive all my worship. Receive me as a worship. Most high. Oh, 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 Chukwuma. Oh, Chukwuma. Waiting I go give to you. Waiting I go give to you, Jesus. Waiting I go give to you. Waiting I go give to you. I go give you my prayer. Waiting I go give to you. I don't get money, my prayer. I don't get anything to give, my prayer. Everybody give him praise. Chinelema, Chinasamebe, Chinima, Chinasanjo.